Hi, I'm Rachel Rose. Welcome to my video. Filming a bit late today because I stayed at work late and then I went to Sainsbury's and then I fell asleep for a while. On my bed, not at Sainsbury's. Yeah, so I just woke up and thought, oh, I better make my video. Okay, so it's the 11th of December. Let's do this one first. Hare's Emporium. Oh, that's another herb. What have we got? Oh, mullein. Fabulous. Saturn, earth and water, associated with midsummer and summer solstice. The stalks can be dipped in wax and used as torches. Protects against sorcery, evil eye and lightning strikes. Can be used as a substitute for graveyard dirt. Oh, I didn't know that. Wow. I really love the plant. I see it growing wild quite a lot. And it has like one massive stem with little flowers all on it. Yeah, cool. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells a bit like sweeties. Wow, cool. Yeah, I didn't know it could be used as a substitute for graveyard dirt. That's really interesting. Awesome. Alright. Sorry, I'm really tired, so you can probably tell from my voice. Oh, 11. Okay. Ooh. That's nice. I wonder if this is another kind of aventurine. It's got that look about it. It's got a really pretty striation all the way through. Yeah, I'm going to have to look at the list to check. So, yeah, purple aventurine. Okay. Wow, we're getting all of the aventurine colours. Let's have a look at them all. So I found this cute little bowl in a charity shop yesterday, so I thought my Christmas crystals could go in there. So this was the brown aventurine, and this was the pink one, and this is the purple one. Oh yeah, you can see that it's purple compared to the others. Yeah, I've never seen purple aventurine before either. Awesome. Okay, tomorrow I'll make a video of going through all of the crystals that I've gotten so far, and maybe the herbs as well. Yeah, so oh, let's do the horrible Chucky. This one. Yeah, someone suggested that I make hot chocolate with coconut milk with the rest of them, because I made cookies last time and they turned out really nice. So yeah, I like that idea. We have, oh, a little reindeer or a stag. That's cute. Fab. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.